Now, we have this just as an illustration. Obviously, it's not a giant's fingerprint. It's obviously magnified multiple times. But to show you, or to give you an idea as to how to do your comparisons, I would first off try to find a starting point on both your crime scene impression as well as on your exemplar. So look for something that is recognizable and as an easy starting and reference point to go back to. For instance, the center core area on a loop or on a whirl pattern, or if you have the location of your delta or your triradius as to where in relationship one is to another, and that way, if you are going to be looking at the spatial relationships between the minutiae, you can, if you lose positioning on one, maybe the bridge counter slips or whatever, you can go back and regroup back at that baseline without having to start completely over again. You've already made some incremental kind of assessment and then just continue on from that point. Now, I would suggest before you actually start with your comparisons on your crime scene and exemplars that maybe you do this exercise first. So this is simply just a pattern recognition exercise to say it's testing your skill. Pattern recognition is a series of multiple types of impressions, so subgroups of your three basic arch, whirl, and loop patterns. So again, just a good place to kind of increase your competency, your skill set when you're looking at prints before you actually start looking at your crime scene impressions. So that would be the first page there for the pattern recognition. On the second page, we have a variety of different skill testings here. So the top one is giving you a pattern to search for, and it gives you a selection of 5 to do a comparison to find out which one matches your search pattern. The next one here is matching the search print to one of 3 candidates. So again, looking at the one on the far left, the one that you're searching for, and looking for one that is the same source. Again, the same one here from 3 different candidates comparing this. So you've got partial impression on the top one, you've got a fairly well-developed one with just a void area in the center, and then a complete print on the third one. It gets a little bit more difficult with number 4. Again, you've got multiple candidates, but a very poor impression to search for. The bottom one here is, again, the same type of thing. In this case here, some of your 3 candidates are lacking in quality as well. So again, just another exercise to hone your skill. On the next page here, we've got some actual crime scene impressions that have been photocopied and placed on here, and it's looking to see whether or not they have originated from the same source or not. So again, different qualities of both the latent impression as well as your exemplar. Have fun.